Have you ever wanted to make a drink that's as magical to watch as it is delicious to taste? Today, we're diving into how to make butterfly pea flower tea in just 7 easy steps. This isn't just any tea, it's a mesmerizing, color-changing drink that's simple to prepare and packed with health benefits. Stick around to see how this unique brew can transform your tea time into an unforgettable experience. Butterfly pea flower tea, also known as blue tea, is loved worldwide for its striking color and soothing flavor. But if you've never brewed it before, it might seem a little tricky. What's the perfect way to steep it? How do you achieve that incredible color change? Don't worry, we've broken it down into steps that anyone can follow. Even if you're completely new to this tea, to begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Grab some dried butterfly pea flowers, a cup of water, and optional extras like lemon or honey. Start by boiling your water. Once it's hot, add about 5-10 dried flowers to your cup or teapot. Let them steep for about 5 minutes. As the flowers infuse, you'll see the water turn a deep, vibrant blue. This is where the magic begins. If you're ready to take it to the next level, add a few drops of lemon juice. The citric acid reacts with the tea, turning it from blue to purple. It's like having a science experiment in your kitchen. Prefer it cold. Let the tea cool. Then serve it over ice for a refreshing chilled version. Add a touch of honey for natural sweetness, or leave it plain for a more earthy, herbal taste. The key moment in this process is watching the transformation. It's not just about the color, it's about creating something beautiful and unique with your own hands. Butterfly pea flower tea isn't just a drink, it's an experience. And with its high antioxidant content, it's a healthy choice. So why not make your tea time special? With just a few ingredients and a little creativity, you can turn an ordinary day into something magical. Experiment with different flavors and find your favorite combination. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply treating yourself, this tea is guaranteed to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Want more creative recipes and fun ideas? Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's make tea time more exciting together.